In the dynamic world of project management, staying organized, collaborative, and on track can feel like juggling chainsaws while riding a unicycle. Fortunately, the digital age has ushered in a plethora of tools designed to tame the chaos and bring order to even the most complex endeavors. Among these, Smartsheet stands out as a versatile and powerful platform that project managers across industries are increasingly relying on. But what exactly is Smartsheet, and how does it empower project management professionals to achieve their goals? Think of it as a supercharged spreadsheet on steroids, specifically engineered to handle the intricacies of project planning, execution, and monitoring. It retains the familiar grid-like interface of traditional spreadsheets, making it incredibly user-friendly, but it layers on robust features that transform it into a comprehensive project management hub. Let's delve into the specific ways Smartsheet becomes an indispensable ally in the project management journey. 1. Centralized planning and scheduling. At the heart of any successful project lies a well-defined plan. Smartsheet excels at providing a centralized platform for creating and managing project schedules. You can easily break down projects into tasks, subtasks, and milestones, assigning durations, dependencies, and responsible parties. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it a breeze to adjust timelines and adapt to unforeseen changes. Gantt charts. Smartsheet automatically visualizes your project schedule as a Gantt chart, providing a clear graphical representation of task timelines, dependencies, and progress. This visual clarity allows stakeholders to quickly grasp the project's overall trajectory and identify potential bottlenecks. Calendar views. For a different perspective, Smartsheet offers calendar views that highlight key deadlines and milestones, ensuring everyone stays aware of critical dates. Resource allocation. Effectively managing resources is crucial. Smartsheet allows you to assign resources, individuals, teams, or even equipment, to specific tasks and track their allocation across multiple projects, preventing overallocation and ensuring optimal utilization. 2. Streamlined collaboration and communication. Project management is inherently a team sport. Smartsheet fosters seamless collaboration by providing a shared workspace where team members can access real-time project information, communicate effectively, and contribute their expertise. Shared sheets and workspaces. Multiple team members can simultaneously access and edit project sheets, ensuring everyone is working with the latest information. Permissions can be customized to control access levels and maintain data integrity. In-context discussions. Instead of scattered email threads, Smartsheet allows for direct discussions within specific tasks or rows, keeping communication contextual and easily trackable. File sharing and attachments. Relevant documents, images, and other files can be directly attached to tasks or the overall project sheet, creating a centralized repository of all project-related materials. Automated updates and notifications. Smartsheet's automation capabilities allow you to set up alerts and notifications for task assignments, due dates, status changes, and more, ensuring timely communication and proactive issue resolution. 3. Robust task management and tracking. Keeping tabs on the progress of individual tasks is essential for overall project success. Smartsheet provides the tools to effectively manage and track task completion. Customizable status tracking. You can define custom status indicators, e.g., not started, in progress, blocked, completed, to accurately reflect the progress of each task. Progress bars and % complete. Visual progress indicators provide an at-a-glance understanding of how tasks are advancing towards completion. Forms for data collection. Smartsheet forms allow you to easily collect information from stakeholders or team members, such as task updates, feedback, or issue reports, directly into your project sheets. Issue tracking and resolution. Smartsheet can be used to log and track project issues, assign responsibility for resolution, and monitor their status until closure.